This week's letter in the Incy alphabet is N. We're going to be creating a fun lettering style. I think of it as like a fun house lettering style. And this N is going to be a simple, easy way for you to create an N with punch. Today we're just going to work on the basic premise of the letter, because usually you won't just write a single letter, and this one it's really important to know how the letters fit together. It's almost like a series of triangles. And make sure you put a mark on your page as we get started. If you were to do a series of triangles fitted together, they would look like this, where you'd be alternating top and bottom. Now, that doesn't give us enough space for letters inside, because some of those letters would look silly with a pinched top. But if we flatten out those points, we'll be able to create really fun funhouse letters that fit together as triangles would. So instead of a point at the end, your letters will fit together with a little bit of a flat section there. Now, when we go to actually create our N, we are going to practice two styles of N, because you never know if the N is going to end up in this position or this position. So draw out your two shapes larger and in a way that they are going to be sort of cuddling together. You're going to draw your modified triangles with those flat tops and flat bottoms. And next time, we will put our ends inside these guide shapes.